Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's BrookieMarieTV, and you haven't been here before, you know, welcome. Today I got a cute little prom look. Could be prom, homecoming, graduation, dinner, outing, sweet 16, baby shower party, whatever you got going on. Cute little look for you. And at the end, I show a whole bunch of different lip options. You don't have to wear this. Show a whole bunch of different options for everyone. Yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I started off with one eye already done, yeah. And I'm just putting some concealer on my eyes, you know. So for this look, I'm going to be using same old Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The first color I'm going to be going into is this shade right here. And that's just to warm up my crease. So after you warmed up your crease, the next color I'm going to take is this one. You see I put it like right under. I wanna follow where she goes. Tell me what you really like. Okay, so this is the next color. I'm gonna deepen this up. So now I'm going to cut the crease, some concealer. I like to put it on my hand, take a little at a time, and go slow. Don't rush this part. I pat the edges to make it blend into the eyeshadow more. After you pat the edges, I'm gonna take more color to blend into where the concealer and eyeshadow met. And there you go. Oh, it's the glitter time. So I got the glitter. I'm using Violet Voss in Champagne Bubbly number 11. And I got this little this little ugly brush is what I use to put on my glue, glitter glue, and glitter. And I just use NYX glitter primer. How I like to do it, I take some again on the back of my hand, just take my brush, dip it in, and go over where I put the concealer. And then I dip the brush in. This is so hard to do on camera because I don't have a table in front of me. I just have a little stool over here. You just repeat these steps till you get the desired amount of glitter. And bam, there you go. Just to let you know, glitter is very messy. You will find it in your hair, you will find it in your drawers, you will find it everywhere. Glitter is just like super messy. It's just like a whole bunch of glitter everywhere. So next thing, I don't remember if I did my eyeliner first or this first, but I feel like I did my eyeliner, then I did the bite. So that's what I'm gonna do this time. Blend in between. I just use Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Bomb, like $2. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through the eyeliner part because I have a video on that if you wanna know how I do it. So next I'm gonna use NYX white liquid liner. I mean, this is not the best liquid liner. It's not the best white liquid liner it's not the best liquid eyeliner that's out there. Like white, I mean, it cracks. Like, it get a little cracky, but it does the job. This just takes patience and a steady hand. So what we're going to do, we're just going to trace like the little line between where we cut the crease with the glitter and where the brown eyeshadow is. Why is this tutorial so hard to record? Oh, you heard my stomach? I'm hungry.
Darling, you look perfect tonight. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I will be right by your side.
Okay, now time for lashes. So I'm just using these liquid lashes right here. This is from House of Lashes in the style Knockout. So while we waiting for our lash glue to dry, you should like totally follow me on Instagram. BrookieSaysWhat. I need some of y'all on here. I got nobody. And now that you're done with all of that, it's time to go on to the face. So just take your favorite primer, moisturizer, whatever, blah blah blah, and apply it to your face. I'm using the Cover FX Custom Black Drops in the oil control one because that's what needs to be done. Since we need that flawless face to cover up my redness. Okay, so now we're gonna go into foundation. And I'm gonna mix my Maybelline Superstay foundation and L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I'm taking my Artiste brush, Oval 8. Oh, that was Shade Tape in the color Light Medium Honey. And then I'm going to take my Fit Me concealer and run some of this on top. Oh, my Oval 6. Now it's time to set. And I'm using the Airspun powder. Bronze up this face a little. Now let's wipe away the excess. Take your favorite blush. Okay. Eyebrows. Wow, I almost forgot I didn't do my eyebrows. ABH in the color dark brown. Spray my face. Maria Badescu Rose Water Spray. Now, time for highlight. ABH's Nicole Gerber colors. Yup, that's that glow you're looking for. I'm pretty sure this is it. Yup, you want to blind these BITCHs. And now time for lips. I feel like you could do a lot of different lip options with this. Like, this is a look that can go with any kind of, you know, dress, attire, whatever you're wearing. Suit, we don't judge. This will go with any color. Pretty neutral. The lip is up to you. You can. I got options. You could go for a red. You could go for a gold. A darker lip, a burgundy. You could go for a pinky color. Go for a nude, a brown, shiny. Like, the options are endless. Let me just show you a couple. Stella and Marcella. Elf Liquid Liqueur in the color Natural. A nude look. Or you could also use Fortune Cookie and NYX Butter Gloss. Now let's try the gold. This is NYX suede liner in Downtown Beauty, I'm guessing is the color. It's a brown. Kylie Metal lipstick in the color King K. So I tried to do a little something to my hair. All I did was put it up in bun and put chopsticks in it, to be honest, to go with the little theme of my top. This is my last year's birthday top from Pretty Little Thing. I also have 40% off on that link down below if you want to use it. It's a cute site, have a lot of cute stuff. So this is Sephora liquid lipstick in, I don't know what's the color name, but it says 13. Or you could turn it up a notch with Lime Crimes Diamond Crusher in the color Choke. Some on the back of my hand. I still haven't tried Rihanna Lip Stunner. That will probably make me like red lipstick. I mean, I guess it looks nice. It's just not my go-to. It's not my go-to. But this is like really glam. A red lip. It's like a darker red. Let me see how it'll look with this on top. This is beautiful. It's too much with this eye, but this color, I think this Diamond Crusher on top of any color is bomb. That is the end of this tutorial. Yeah, my videos are always all over the place. Ain't nothing new with y'all. But yes, this is like a cute little prom look, or any outing or event like prom. What else they have? Like homecomings, graduations, dinners, parties, sweet 16s, baby shower. I don't know, any event you got coming up. I feel like this would be super cute. Look for it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me, follow my social medias, and yeah, have a blessed day. Duh.
Strip that down for me. I'm on my way. Girl, come and strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah.